Hey, what's up YouTube? This is a review of the 2018 3rd Gen iPad Pro 12.9, and this tablet has been out for about 2 years, so I'm just doing a review of, like, what's it like using this 2 years later, and you know, how does it compare with the newer 2020 version. So let's just start off with what is missing compared to the 4th gen. First off, like this has a 12x processor versus the newer gen, which has a 12Z processor. But you know, like, using this tablet, it's super fast. Like, I really don't notice like a difference in speed or the processing power, but I think you only notice it if you're a heavy user. Another thing that's different is the camera. Like the 4th generation iPad Pro, it has, you know, like that huge square camera, because it has the ultra wide lens. Like this 3rd generation doesn't have that ultra wide lens. But you know, for me, I don't really take pictures with my tablet, so that doesn't really bother me that much. Because yeah, so I don't really need that ultra wide angle. So yeah, that's another difference. And then like the 2020 version of this, it starts off at 128 gigabytes of storage. This one only starts off at 64. And the newer one also has like a LiDAR sensor and Wi-Fi 6. So if that's important to you, like yeah, then that would matter to you. But for me, like, this Wi-Fi works just fine. LiDAR, like I guess that's for like augmented reality things, but I don't really use that. So yeah, this has the newer design. You see these like smaller bezels compared to the 2nd generation iPad Pro, which has those huge bezels. So yeah, see here, like all the bezels are all uniform and they're much more narrow versus the 2nd generation. My other impressions of this iPad is that you definitely need a case, because this thing is 13 inches, right? Like a lot of people use this like a laptop, so you definitely need a case so it can stand, because you want to protect your investment too. Like, you don't want to get like any dings or chips. And this thing is huge. I mean, it's only a pound, about a pound. It's really light. But it is a 13-inch screen. You're gonna like hold it a lot, and like oftentimes you want it to be standing, so you definitely need a case. The drawback of getting a case though is that if you get a case to cover the back of this 13-inch screen, it's gonna get really heavy. So like, I felt like once I put this case on, like it weighs like almost 2 pounds. And then at that point, you can't really use it as like a regular tablet because it's so heavy. Like, you definitely need to like keep it like in like a standing position using the case, and it's a pain to carry once you put the case on. So you can't, like, it's not the optimal like tablet where you just hold it, because like once you put this on, it's too freaking heavy. And so yeah, like this is a good choice. Like, if you wanted to use an iPad for a tablet replacement, this is a good choice because of the bigger screen. Like, if you have like multiple apps open or like documents, you want the bigger real estate, so that's good for that. It also has the, as you can see here, it also has the USB-C. You see that port right here? USB-C port. So you can like plug in a USB-C hub and like attach like a mouse. You get like additional USB ports. Attach a mouse, keyboard, HDMI, SD card into the hub. So then this will turn this into like a full-blown tablet. But I kind of don't like, you know, having to buy a hub. It's kind of annoying, but yeah, it'll give you more ports just by using this USB-C. But from my point of view, like I still prefer like a regular laptop setup, because like you don't have to buy extra keyboard and like the file management system. Like I haven't even used I haven't really even used this one because you know I just prefer like a regular laptop. But yeah, that's the folder app, I guess, the app. But yeah, it's just a hassle. Like I like opening like multiple folder windows, but this one you can only use this like once. Like you can't have another folder open at the same time, so that's kind of annoying. Regarding this iPad, it's super fast, super snappy, 120 hertz, like, so it's very fluid like when you're scrolling. Let me just open Safari. See, I got like what, 7 tabs open. Scrolling through it, absolutely no lag at all. Yeah, it's very, and the screen is beautiful. Like it's 12.9-inch screen, Quad HD, very sharp, very vibrant. The colors are good. You can have like multiple tabs open. Got Yahoo Finance, got slick deals going on. Yeah, the colors are popping out at you. It's really good. Apple did a great job with the screen. So the screen is still like excellent, even in 2 years later. The refresh rate is great. All right, and now I'm just gonna like play some games to show you like how does it hold up. I'm gonna play Asphalt 9. Alright, as you can see, like the game worked flawlessly. Like the speakers are great too. It's a quad speaker, two on each side. You see here, 2 speakers here, and then another 2 over here. Another 2 over here. Yep, 2. See that? So the quad speakers are great. They're super loud. The loudest for a tablet, in my opinion. Battery life is also solid. Like it takes a while to charge, but like it'll easily last you a couple days. Like I actually don't use this tablet too much, maybe half an hour a day. So it'll last you like 2 to 3 days, in my opinion. So price wise, I looked on Amazon. You can get this for $900 renewed. Also on eBay, you could buy it used. You can get it for $600 or $700. And if you compare this to the 4th generation, that's 11. Like if you buy it new, 4th gen is $1,100, whereas this 3rd gen you can get on eBay for $600 or $700. So you do save money getting this used. So that's like one of the main benefits of getting this iPad. You still got the newer form factor. You save $400. So that's a big factor if you want to save money. Overall conclusion, this tablet is great for media consumption. Great screen, great refresh rate, awesome. For productivity though, you know, like the USB-C helps a lot because you could like get a hub, plug in the mouse, keyboard, SD card slot. Kind of use this like a laptop, you know, like word processing, blah blah blah. But for the price, like if you're gonna pay $700-800, I still prefer a regular laptop with better file management. If you want to use this like for productivity, still prefer a laptop. It's not quite there yet with the file management. And you know, I don't like getting those extra hubs, keyboard. Like the Magic Keyboard costs $300. Like you have to tack on another $300? No way. So anyway, that's my conclusion. I mean, it's not the best laptop replacement in my opinion. Great for media consumption. Quad speakers are excellent. So I definitely recommend this if you like using this for media consumption. It is pricey, but you know, the speakers are great, screen is great, and it's basically one of the best tablets available right now. Anyways, I hope you like my review. Please hit like or subscribe. Hope everyone's staying safe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Alright, take care.